Hey guys, welcome back to Maddie's Review channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Bluetooth speaker by TaoTronics. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is a PC gaming soundbar. It actually is connected to my computer. This is by TaoTronics. It lights up and it also goes with the beat if you're playing some music. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Now right here is the user manual. This tells you how to set it up, where to put it, some button information. Right here on the right side is the power cord. This one here is your standard 110. And your 3.5mm jack headphone connections. This does have a really long cord, so mine's actually plugged up top of my computer screen. This right here just reads if you're happy, if you're not happy. There you get a gift card. Overall rating. And now let's get into the speaker itself. So you could first see right here that you got two speakers on each side. There is a clock in the middle. On the top, you have your power button, volume up, volume down, play, pause, timer, and this last light right here, this is for your light. You can keep flipping it. You can do either a solid color or you can have it flip. Right here at the bottom, there's some good grip guards, so you could put it on your desktop. And then this one here is where you can hang it on the wall, which is what I have. And then the back is your connection ports. You have a AUX in, AUX out. You have the DC plug. This also will be connected by Bluetooth if you use Bluetooth. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and put something on so you can hear how loud this one is. To turn it on, you just need to hold down the power button. It is set at Bluetooth because I use Bluetooth. So now I'm going to get my Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 and connect a Bluetooth. And it'll say TaoTronics. You want to pair it depending on your phone. So let's go ahead and play something.
Wake up every single day to get better today than you were yesterday. Whatever it takes.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Ragu laminator. Stay tuned. First off, you can see the laminator. Here's the little laminating paper. You get the big ones and you get a few small. So as you can see, it's very loud. This is very nice and lightweight. If you want to use it for your computer or as your media speaker, I would definitely recommend this speaker. If you're interested in purchasing this speaker, I will link all the details in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that little notification button so you get notified every time I upload a new product review. Also check me out at Maddie'sReviewChannel.com. Thanks for watching.